Okay. Where my pants? Oh no, those my pants. Excuse me. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, so today we are back at TJ Maxx, and let's see what they have. Honey, I really don't need anything from out of here. Probably if I could get my children some stuff, but for the most part, we don't really need nothing. Let's see what they have. Okay, so as soon as I came in here, I had seen this bag. This bag is really, really nice. Let's see how much. This bag is $180. Not bad. This is the name brand. So I like these fanny packs, especially like if you run a lot or work out at the gym. These come in very, very good. Ooh, this bag is cute. Like a beach bag, honey. Who going to the beach this summer looking fancy, okay? Look at this. Okay, $30. Very nice. I like the little tassels here. Very cute, very cute. Ooh, honey, I don't know. I may have to get me these. Ooh, I may have to get me a pair of these. I think I'm going to get me a pair of these. What you guys think? Honey, I'm getting them. Okay, I like these pants. I don't have a clue what I'll wear them with, but these are really, really nice. And they normal price it says $88, but they on sale, well, $20. Okay, so I'm gonna get a size 4. I just hope they fit. I don't know, these pants, they just look so nice. I like these, the high-rise pants, okay? Like with the bell bottom or the wide leg. Honey, I really, really like these. Okay, so we back over here. Well, I'm back over here. And I'm looking for the lip gloss. So I know somebody had asked me what type of lip gloss or the lip color I had on. So this is the brand, okay? I'm trying to see what else they have. Oh, look at this. So they have the mascara here, the brow pencil, the eyeliner, everything all in one. Honey, for $5. Honey, you cannot beat this for $5, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna get this, the cruelty-free vegan lip plumping. And this is $5. Honey, this is $5, okay? $5. So I was looking at this lip oil. I'm trying to see what is it made out of, because they lip oil, tinted lip oil. Oh no, they got I don't want that. And I showed you guys this before. So this, I like how they have this like all together, the cotton balls, the Q-tips and everything like that. It just makes your bathroom look so, so neat. But I ain't getting none of this. So I had recorded this in my last video, Morphe set, and the girl was like, girl, this was a steal. You should have got that Morphe set. Honey, they still got it. In fact, they have 3 left, okay? And this is still $17. Oh. Is this like a Christmas set or something? I don't know. Oh, look at this. They little grease set. Let's see how much this is. $13. Oh wow, so they have another Morphe set for this one is $7, okay? And this is like holiday stuff, but you still could wear it. And this is $7. All right, so I never seen TJ Maxx sell the head bonnets, okay? Honey, now they have the hair bonnets, okay? And they are $5. Honey, let me find out, okay? Oh, and I love, love, love washing with these gloves. I'm gonna get a pack for one for me, my children, my youngest children. And these are $6. Okay, honey, I gotta start getting up out of here. I gotta start getting up out of here. Let me see what else they have. They have this oil over here. Alright, so I see this vitamin C and collagen brightening and facial serum for $5. I'm gonna get this to see how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the kids section now and see. Ooh, these are nice. These are real nice. These are cute. I like these. They are very nice for $40. Very nice. These shoes over here, these are nice too. I like these flats. Trying to see. Oh, for $20. Look at this. Oh, these are nice. Honey, these shoes right here, these make me think of a yacht. Okay, like you getting on that yacht. Okay, these are really, really cute. I like these. Very nice. So this is a 4-pack tees. And these are $15. This is not bad at all. Let me see. I don't think they would have my sons, but let me see. This set is really, really cute. Let's see. $17. I like this. This is really, really cute too. So this is a 3-piece set. Okay. And $17. You might as well get this set. This set right here is really, really cute. So it's a 2-piece. Has a hoodie with the shorts. And this is, ooh, $12. Oh, gosh. I don't think let me see if they got a large. So they don't have a large over here. I could have got that for my youngest son. But they got these because my youngest son, he loves sweaters. Okay, let me see. Trying to see if I should get him this. This is a size 14. I'm going to get him this. Okay, I'm going to get him this too. This is a 10-12. I hope he could fit it. This outfit is really, really cute for the little girls. Really, really nice. And this too. $11, honey, $11, okay? This is really, really nice. Look at this. $16, well, $17. The headband, the shirt, and the pants. Honey, you better get on down here to TJ Maxx. Look at this. 6-piece. Mix and match. Okay? Let's see how much this is. $17 for 6 pieces for the summertime. Okay, so this is a Betsy Johnson. Okay, you got the jacket, honey, with the shorts. Okay, and if you don't know about Betsy, honey, I'm gonna need you to find out. Okay, $15. Now I'm looking for something to get for my youngest daughter, like some tights or something, because it's still kind of cold here. Ooh, but look at this. Wait, hold on, child. This is so, so cute. Ooh, this is very nice. I like this. $13. This outfit is really, really cute. $13, okay, for the little girls. The bell bottoms. Yeah. With the shirt. Very nice. Very, very nice. $13. This pajama set is so, so nice. Look at this. $10. Okay, honey. Styling and profiling. Alright, I'm gonna go to Walmart for my youngest daughter because these are the only pants they have for the little girls. Just the tights. And I wanted to get her, but I guess this not, I'm just thinking, because I'm thinking, would she be able to fit this? I guess she can. Alright, I'm going to just get her these. Okay, I found something. I'm gonna get her this too. $9. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Honey, this is nice. $13. This Converse set. Very nice. Very nice. Honey, he was taking my pants. Okay, so let's just see how much this. Oh, this is nice. Hey, hold on now. This dress I like. Very nice. Oh, let's see how much this is. $24.99. Oh my goodness, so nice. Look at this though. Now I don't know if you guys like this, but I do. Okay, this is really nice. $32. But this is nice, okay? Honey, with the haunting top. Let me see. Shoot. $30.